Hi guys, partner. Hey, so kami ngayon naglalakad kami and we're heading to our first tour. So parang sa pre-stay namin, parang it would take you like 5 minutes walk to 10 minutes. I think less than 5 minutes lang na, partner. So yun yung nilalakad namin. So, para siyang may pagkaano rin pala. Pagkabora. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Morning!
Kuya Angelo!
Hello!
Also, Kuya Richard!
Morning!
Captain Kuya Andrew! Alright, so they have Anchorman Kuya Don. Alright, sir, forget your name. I forget your name, okay? So kay Mami sir, yung package sila part in Torsi, right? So Torsi, they have 5 separate destinations, okay? So they have Kadlaw Lagoon, okay? But I remind you, Mami sir, Kadlaw Lagoon is kayaker, okay? Same history.
Hi guys! So currently, andito kami sa aming first stop dito sa Palawan. And grabe na, ang ganda. Papakita ko guys sa inyo yung water, which is super linis. And then yung island, as in, ang ganda. Tingnan niyo yung likod ko. There. And ito yung rocks. Ayun, yeah, tama. Ayan. There. Kita nyo. And then the water. Ito yung aking driver. Hanggang dito nagrent ako ng Grab. Grab muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Pakibilisan po, meron akong appointment.
Wait lang po, kuya.
Pakidala tayo dun sa may ano.
Ano nyo, drop off.
hindi ito, mali ako ng pin. Pakimo, mali ako ng pin. Doon tayo sa may dulo. Kamusta ka na dyan, partner?
Okay nga na, sir.
Ayan. So guys, sinurman na namin kayo dito. At least nakikita ko ito sa vlog.
Ayun po, sir.
Sa vlog.
Ito po yung,
Ayan.
yung mamahalin na hotel po, no, sir?
Yeah, so thank you so much. So ngayon, dalhin mo naman ako sa Jollibee.
Jollibee?
All of my friends said in wedding days. All I've got's photos of yesterday. Left all my things up at heaven's gate. Hope that they let me in later. Someone set my clock back 20 years. I do everything different, I face my fears. I wanna feel this and know you. I wanna feel this and know you.
Hi guys. So finally we're here sa Helicopter Island. So it's our second destination. And guys, so yung ganda. Kasi first time ko pumunta dito. And super worth it talaga rin. Same as kanina. Dito naman guys, pwede pala mag-snorkeling. And super ganda ng water guys. Yun. Yeah. Tapos pwede ka pa maglakad dun sa bandang dulo. Alam mo yun guys, kahit super init, parang makakalimutan mo yung init kasi ganda ng makikita mo, ganda ng nature natin, ganda dito sa Pilipinas. Pakita ko pa sa inyo.
I've been looking for love that I want in my life. Kind of girl, you know that I think would treat me right. Girl like that belongs in my arms. I can already imagine the way that she feels, keeping me warm and at the same time give me chills. Girl like that belongs in my heart. That girl's got love, la 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 love. Yeah, that girl's got love, la 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 love. People been telling me that she won't come around. I tell them that's why I plan on leaving this town. Girl like that belongs in my arms. I don't know what it is, but I feel it calling. Some's telling me I'm about to be falling. Girl like that belongs in my heart. That girl's got love, la 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 love. That girl's got love.
Guys, yan. So, this tayo party sa Matinloc Shrine. Yeah, there we go guys. So, ito. And may shrine. And then, divine governance. So, akit kami sa taas.
At least as best I can. She'll never know who I am unless I give her the chance. I don't know where I've been, but here I am, singing songs to a girl that I haven't met, hoping one day she'll end up in my arms. Everything in my life ain't always been perfect, but knowing one day I'll have her makes it all worth it. Girl like that belongs in my heart. That girl's got love, la 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 love. That girl's got love, la 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 love. That girl's got love, la 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 love. That girl's got love, la 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 love.